bende Gisanieri ochiwo ng'ur mage kalure kod omenda mathoth ma kaunti noero osebedo kachulo jotije mage. Jakom mar boardno migosi Jared Kopiyo wacho ni kaunti noero osebedo katiyo gi omenda mathoth e chudo mag Osara kabende olieko ni Gisanieri gidhi kawo okang mager ne dwaro makamano. Kopiyo wacho ni gichano timo auditing mag chudo makamago mar mondo mi ging'e jogo eko mondiki mosebedo katiyo e kaunti ma Migori. Gisanieri County ma Migori nitiere koda kwan mag jotich moheo 3,000 e payroll maggi kabende kaunti noero ma Migori wacho ni gisebedo ka gichulo omenda mathoth ne jotije makamagi.
When we took over, there were a lot of pending promotions. In fact, what was submitted to us, I think towards the end of the year 2020, last year, were 306 workers, officers who were due or even overdue for promotion. We have since worked tirelessly, and we are happy to announce to the residents of Migori that indeed we have completed this exercise successfully, and the total number of people that have been promoted out of the 1,306 that were forwarded to us were 1,143. And the breakdown is as follows. From the Department of Health, we approved the promotion of 693 individuals. Going forward, we shall be strict on performance. We will be strict on looking at the performance appraisals for all the workers before any promotions are effected. So I want the workers and their immediate supervisors to concentrate on service delivery for the people of Migori, and that service delivery must be quantified in the form of an appraisal for any promotions to be effected. We might have a head count, and we also conduct an audit of the payroll to ensure that only those people who are rendering services to the county and who are duly employed through the correct processes are maintained on the payroll. We, as a board, are a responsible board, and we are committed to ensuring that we give the best to the great county of Migori and to the taxpayers of this county.
It is the only way we can appreciate the workers and motivate them. They are happy. We went to some counties and did the head count and found who are the genuine workers and who are not the genuine workers. So that one, we are still continuing to sort it out, but it is solved halfway.